Scientists discovered a new Earth-like planet. Hi, my curious fellow. Today I am back again with a thrilling cosmic discovery that will blow your mind. Yes, it's going to thrill you with exciting facts, but there is a prerequisite. Watch this video till the end attentively so that a single piece of information doesn't skip from your eyes. So guys, as you already know, we are not alone in this mighty universe. There are numerous powerful, mesmerizing, and beautiful cosmic bodies in this cosmos waiting to be explored. Astronomers have struggled to find a place like our home planet for the past few decades. However, they aren't hopeless and have been researching this universe to get desired results. Since astronomers have discovered exoplanets, there has been a debate about finding planets like Earth, where life could survive. Also, they are researching to know the origin of life in this universe. Recently, NASA has received data regarding the presence of Earth-like planets only 33 to 37 light-years away from the planet Earth. One is named Super Earth, which is 4 times as massive as our planet, and completes a year in just 10.8 days has been found by scientists. So how is it like our home planet? Ross 508b is a red dwarf star founded by the American Space Agency NASA using a novel infrared monitoring method. It is 37 light-years away from Earth. It seems too close, right? Interestingly, the habitable zone of the super-Earth skims in and out of its star, and it orbits Ross 508, the red dwarf star, similar to how the Earth circles the Sun. According to Space.com, this super-Earth is close enough to our planet for atmospheric studies, which could aid scientists in figuring out whether life is possible orbiting low-mass stars. Yes, you hear right, the possibility of life. So let's see the discovery origin of this mighty super-Earth. The super-Earth was discovered for the first time by astronomers in Japan. The research reported under the title, A Super-Earth Orbiting Near the Edge of the Habitable Zone Around the M4.5 Dwarf Ross 508. Orbital rotation of the super-Earth. According to the study, the exoplanet orbits the star at a distance that provides favorable temperatures for the creation of water on the planet's surface. Isn't it mesmerizing that it will support life? Yeah, right. It suggests that Ross 508b is the star's habitable zone. Scientists discovered the planet close to a faint star by using the Subaru telescope of the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, NAOJ, in Hawaii. Ross 508b orbits Ross 508 every 10.8 days because the star is smaller than the Sun in size. Ross 508 is also quite faint. Therefore, the super-Earth receives 1.4 times as much solar radiation as Earth does. The Ross 508 is the faintest and smallest star with an orbiting planet. The study finds a mass around 18% that of the Sun. The radial velocity approach was used to find the star, finding enormous worlds like gaseous planets that cycle at distance that is too close. For liquid water is easier with the help of this method for finding exoplanets. However, there is much more to explore. Another mysterious planet also came to the notice of NASA. Only 33 light-years away, NASA's TESS mission has discovered 2 rocky planets around the red dwarf star HD 260655. The newly discovered planets HD 260655b and HD 260655e are some of the nearest rocky planets outside of our solar system that astronomers can currently see across the faces of their stars. Both of these seem similar to planet Earth. Further research is going on. As I mentioned, there is still so much more to explore. Earth-like planets spotted in the newly discovered nearby star system. According to scientists, there are at least 2 rocky planets the size of Earth in the nearby solar system, but neither is likely to support life. The planet's orbital calculations showed that both of those worlds orbit their star at a distance that is too close for liquid water to exist on their surface. In actuality, HD 260655b, one of those 2 planets, orbits the star in just 2.8 days despite being nearly 1.2 times as large as Earth. The orbit of HD 260655e, a star 1.5 times the size of Earth, takes 5.7 days to complete the orbit. Is there another planet like Earth with humans? It isn't confirmed yet. However, researchers are putting their hearts into finding out the best in the cosmos. From the first day, they have been collecting data to get proof. So here, I will share you a list of the 10 most Earth-like exoplanets of this cosmos discovered today. Here are the 10 most Earth-like exoplanets. Since the first exoplanet was confirmed to be orbiting a Sun-like star in 1995, more than 4,000 have been found, according to NASA's exoplanet exploration page. More than half of these discoveries come from NASA Kepler Space Observatory, which was launched in 2009 to find out how common Earth-like planets are throughout the Milky Way galaxy. Astronomers have long dreamed of finding the first real alien Earth. Recent exoplanet discoveries have revealed that small, rocky worlds like ours are familiar throughout the cosmos. A planet must be relatively tiny orbit in the star's habitable zone, broadly defined as a region where liquid water can exist on a planet's surface. Other factors will be considered when telescope technology advances, such as planet's atmosphere and its parent star's activity level. While Earth 2.0 remains elusive, here are the closest known analogs to our home planet. Gliese 667 cc. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, this exoplanet is at least 4.5 times as big as Earth and is only 22 light-years away. Kepler 22b. Kepler 22b's orbit of 290 days is similar to Earth's 365, reported by Space.com. The planet orbits G-class star as our Sun, smaller and colder than Earth's, lies 600 light-years away. Kepler 69c. Kepler 69c, about 2,700 light-years away, is about 70% larger than Earth. Kepler 62f. At a distance of 1,200 light-years away and size, Kepler 62f is in the neighborhood of potentially rocky planets that might have oceans. Kepler 186f. It is at most 10% larger than Earth and appears to reside in its star's habitable zone. The world lies about 500 light-years away from Earth. Kepler 442b. According to NASA, this exoplanet is 33% larger than Earth and revolves around its star every 112 days. 2015 announcement of the discovery of Kepler 442, a star 1,194 light-years from Earth. Kepler 452b is 1,400 light-years away from Earth, just 20 days longer than it takes for Earth to orbit the Sun. Kepler 452b does so. Kepler 1649c. It is around 300 light-years away from Earth and is only 1.06 times larger than it. Proxima Centauri b. According to NASA exploration, Proxima Centauri b is located just 4 light-years away from Earth, making it Earth's closest known exoplanet. TRAPPIST-1e. The TRAPPIST exoplanets consist to their star are seen in this picture. The majority of Earth-sized planets ever found in a single star's habitable zone orbit TRAPPIST-1. This planetary system is composed of 7 worlds. So is it possible that life can exist on another planet as supported by our home planet? Can those Earth-like planets produce conditions like our Earth? These questions are taking a lot of space in our minds. There are many possibilities and types of research on the same question. However, all seems to be theoretical and practical. So what is required for an extraterrestrial exoplanet to support life as we know it? It turns out, a lot. The new examination of known exoplanets focuses on photosynthesis, suggesting that Earth-like circumstances on possibly habitable worlds may be far rarer than previously imagined. Astronomers have found 4,422 exoplanets so far, but only a small number are thought to be potentially hospitable. An exoplanet's potential habitability implies that it would create an atmosphere based on oxygen, since photosynthesis has been essential in creating sophisticated biospheres of the kind found on Earth. Remember that liquid water is necessary for photosynthesis. Only exoplanets that could support such a creature on their surface are those that are at the ideal temperature, not too hot nor too cold. It is interesting to know that as exoplanets pass in front of their stars, the James Webb Telescope JWST will be able to investigate their atmospheres. The gases they contain will be visible from the light that passes through their atmospheres. That is the beauty of the powerful James Webb Telescope. According to lead author Professor Giovanni Cavone of the University of Naples, this finding suggests that Earth-like conditions on other planets may be far less common than we might expect. Red dwarfs are by far the most prevalent form of a star in our galaxy. So these questions are still curiosity-generating statements. Until James Webb Space Telescope gives us clues regarding life support on exoplanets, we are waiting.